हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माइलस्टोन टॉक्स। आज हम फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ आए हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बेल आइकन पे जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो आज की कहानी का नाम है वी आर ऑल वर्दी ऑफ लव। हम सभी प्यार के काबिल हैं। In these extremely challenging times, there has been a shift towards caring for your neighbors and friends. This pandemic has led many people to see that relationships and time are more important than money. We have read many articles where rich people are not happy. They have the money but have lost relationships and health along the way. We need balance in our lives, and as long as we are comfortable financially, we don't need to strive to become millionaires for the sake of it. We all have worth, whether of any color or ability. Caring is a wonderful attribute, and as we care for people around us, we in turn are cared for. तो ये कहानी शुरू होती है मनाली की वादियों में, जहाँ पर एक शॉपकीपर ने एक साइन लगाया अपने दरवाजे पे दैट रेड पपीज फॉर सेल। इस तरह की साइंस हमेशा छोटे बच्चों को आकर्षित करने का एक तरीका होता है, और कोई आश्चर्य नहीं था इस बात में कि एक लड़के ने साइन को देखते ही मालिक से संपर्क करने की कोशिश की। बच्चे ने जाकर पूछा, आप पिल्लों के लिए कितने बच्चे रखे हैं और आप उन्हें कितने में बेचेंगे? The store owner replied, anywhere from $30 to $50. The little boy pulled out some change from his pocket and said, I have just $3, but can I please look at the puppies? The shop owner smiled and whistled. Out the kennel came Lady, the mother Pomeranian, who ran down the aisle of the shop, followed by 5 teeny tiny balls of white fur. One puppy was lagging considerably behind. Immediately, the boy singled out the lagging and limping puppy and said, What's wrong with that dog's leg? The shop owner explained that the vet had examined the little puppy and had discovered that it didn't have a hip socket. It would always limp and it would always be lame. पर उस छोटे बच्चे ने एक्साइटेड होके कहा, नहीं नहीं, मुझे तो वही कुत्ता चाहिए। मैं उसी को ही खरीदना चाहता हूँ। पर दुकान के मालिक ने ये सुन के कहा, नहीं, तुम उस छोटे कुत्ते को ना ही खरीदो तो बेहतर है। अगर तुम सच में उसे चाहते हो और उसे लेना चाहते हो तो मैं उसे तुम्हें मुफ्त में ही दे दूंगा। Deep down, many of us harbor the fear that we aren't worthy of love. Some sort of trauma in our past, our bad experiences, a nasty comment here or there gave us the idea that we were not good enough for love, that people inherently saw us as unworthy. This can be such a difficult habit to shake off. Each setback we experience in life can serve as an example of our fear and can latch onto us. You see, it says, you aren't good enough. That inconsistent person, that bad date, that failing relationship, whatever it is, it slaps you in the face and repeats your worst fears. The little boy got quite upset with the shop owner. He looked straight into his eyes and said, I don't want you to give him to me. That little dog is worth every bit as much as all the other dogs, and I'll pay the full price. In fact, I'll give you $3 now and 50 cents a month until I have paid for him. The shop owner countered, You really don't want to buy this little dog. He is never going to be able to run or jump and play with you like the other puppies. To this, the little boy reached down and rolled up his pant to reveal a badly twisted, crippled left leg, supported by a big metal brace. He looked up at the shop owner and softly replied, Well, I don't run so well myself, and the puppy will need someone who understands him. With that, the shopkeeper felt guilty about everything he had just said. We all deserve the kind of love that is soft, the kind of love that speaks volumes without saying anything, the kind that is gentle yet overwhelmingly powerful, and the kind that doesn't make us question our self worth. Every single one of us has been bruised on this journey through life. We've all been disappointed by people. We've all taken risks only to fall flat and feel humiliated for our efforts. Maybe toxic relationships have made you feel diminished. Perhaps you didn't get your needs met at a time that you desperately needed support, and you are still carrying the scars of those primary wounds. Over time, the injuries of life can erode your belief in yourself. You can get tricked into believing that you are not so great and that your life experiences will always bring you down. Niggling doubts like maybe a critical father, a rejecting mother, a high school chemistry teacher that wasn't so good to you will always be there to hamper your confidence. This is probably the best I can expect. Keep your feelings from deserving more. This is all you can think. But you cannot let the inevitable traumas of human experiences break you. You cannot allow yourself to be diminished by others. You must never allow your core self to be ground away by disappointment. तो इस कहानी से हमने सीखा कि हम सब चाहे जैसे भी हों और हमें चाहे जितनी भी खामियां हों, हम सब प्यार के काबिल हैं और उसे लेने और किसी और को देने के भी हमारे पास शक्ति है। तो ये थी आज की कहानी। मिलते हैं अगली बार फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ। वीडियो को ख़त्म करने से पहले बेल आइकन पे जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। मिलते हैं अगली बार फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ।